Millfields to meet up with Larby, Larry, Hodge, Marvin. That's it. To do a half a marathon. So today is Sunday the 17th of May. There was meant to be the Hackney Half was meant to take place today, but it's no longer taking place because of the coronavirus. So me and a few friends are going to get together and just run a half marathon. My legs are freezing, but they'll warm up. But yeah, ready for this. We've done a 15k this week. Last week we done an 18k. Those both felt good, so I'm just going to get there, stretch, do a little warm-up lap, and then get started. I think I'm first here. I think I'm first here. I can't see Henry. Let me look my bike up. I'm so dumb, I took the wrong route. It's meant to make another route still. Alright, cool. Look at my D-lock here. It's bent. Some stupid idiots tried to finesse Trakisha and bent up my D-lock. Cool. I got on this, but it's bouncing too much, so I'm gonna have to change the positioning. Probably about 2k in of 21. So we're heading towards Springfield Park, and then we're gonna come back on ourselves and head towards Stratford. Oh man, my headphones are playing up. Why? I'm gonna have to hold my phone. Oh, yeah. Keep going, coach. Oh man. Get some of the views for you, look. Spotted some monkey bars that are still up, and I spotted some straight bars. Yes, this is Springfield. New park to train once this is all done. So this is where we normally start our route. We do it right here. Just gonna see how far in we are. Sorry, thanks. $11.8k in. So we've got 10k left. So we're gonna go towards Stratford and come back and we'll be done. Approaching halfway. Not halfway, way beyond halfway, but halfway of the way to Stratford and back. And then we're done. Light stitch, but stitches are nothing. My hip is killing. Besides that, toothache every now and then, but got little baby on, should be straight. Check the distance on my phone. (16.4). So yeah, we're straight. Yeah, that's calm. Yeah, and then back. So we're gonna go just over 21 because I'm gonna end exactly where we started, but I'll catch you lot closer towards Hackney. I hope you all can see that. Once you see this line bridge, you know it's coming to an end. Make sure this bridge here. Let's go. .65, hour 40, so we've gone beyond, but I'm still going to just go to where we started. Nice run, but I'm resting after this and then focusing on 5Ks. Calisthenics, done with the long distance thing, man. Last uphill bit coming up, and then we're done. Little dog. There we go, cameo. Uphill. Bro's pushing. And then to a left where Millfields. That didn't even seem that long, but I ran with a group. So it was what, 6 of us, 5 of us? 6. Man was going at a quicker pace than I normally do for this kind of distance. Last stretch for real now. Water's gonna taste stupendous. Last time I done this, I had water. I even got a medal. This time, it's just because that I'm doing this 21. Bro's going so strong. Some real social distancing. Let's go. Step to the left. Oh, hamsters here. Let me pause on my apps now. So Nike's got me for 22.35 at hour 43. Love, bro. Well done, man. Stop that. 4:38 pace, that's good. And I genuinely don't feel exhausted, genuinely, like. Strava's got me for 21.5, 1:43, 4:49, so a bit slow on Strava. Finish.